Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can submit support tickets, take screenshots of the system, and send questions, comments, concerns directly to our developers so that you can fast track some of the updates and changes that you need to see in your system. The first thing I want to point out is on every single screen on Sensei, if you look at the bottom left hand corner, you will see this report error button. If you click that button, what will happen is the system will automatically take a screenshot of what you're seeing, and you'll actually be able to describe this is an issue and click submit to show them exactly what's going on in your system. That's a quick and easy way. Instead of having a call or send an email or anything like that, you can send it straight to our development team where they can get those issues fixed as soon as possible. Secondly, we have a support button at our top right hand corner, and if you click that, you can see some of our help guides. So if you haven't watched these videos, or if you need just a little bit more help or just a further breakdown, you can click that. It will actually show you a help guide for every single tab that we have here in Sensei. But additionally, we have the support ticket that you can click create now, choose an issue, and guys, it doesn't have to fit in any of these issues. It helps to be as specific as possible with that selection, but you can give it a title and description. So if you want to do, like, for example, pricing update, roll-up doors will now be 10% more expensive, and you send that to our team, that'll actually get it sent in and submitted straight to our developers without having to talk to myself or Chris or anybody here, just so we can go ahead and get in front of those updates. Of course, we always want to know what's going on. We can check these as well, so Chris and I will both get a notification when these are submitted. So if you ever have questions, comments, or concerns, use our support tickets, give us a call, whatever works best for you. But this is a great way to get some of those changes done a lot quicker. Guys, thank you so much. This has been another Sensei University video. We do appreciate all the love and the support. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to reach out to us. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.